Hi friends, how are you? I'm Gopal Desai here, and good morning to all of you. I hope that you will be all fine, right? Because it's a worrying news that now COVID-19 is spreading at the village level also, and I heard that 2, 3 or means more than 4 cases might be found at around you. So it's a great news for us, but don't worry, right? Almighty care us, and without losing any hope or without losing power, right? Your will, maintain your willpower, trust on God, right? And we continue with your work. So today's video is not about any lesson, but this is a video that I am going to prepare by keep in mind your exam required, right? First, I would like to make it clear, right, in this video that we do have a lesson number 1, right? Lesson number 1 in our course. So, only prepare lesson number 1, right, for midterm examination. So, are you clear with these things? Right? Prepare lesson number 1 for your examination. That means midterm. Okay. Now go to the paper style, right? And how to prepare for examination, because I means in 8th standard I wasn't your teacher, so you may not be aware with my system, then my approach towards the subject, right? So in every video that I have sent to you, I ask you to write the summary of the lesson, right? Many of the time I told you write a summary of the lesson. Now try to understand. We do have a question number 1 in your paper, that means midterm, right? And that question is MCQ. So what is MCQ that I should not discuss, right? Because it will look very silly. So we do have a question number 1 MCQ, and that MCQ you may means the question arise in your mind, sir, from where we should prepare the MCQ, right? Because you have a digest, you have a workbook, you have a text. Okay, which kind of information we keep in mind to prepare MCQ? That will be that will your confusion. So don't worry, get relaxed. I am going to clear it now. Okay. Now see, for MCQ, keep in mind important events, right? Important events. So still you may confuse. What means important events, right? So important events. So first for this, right? Refer textbook. Okay. So for MCQ, please refer textbook. So for that you must refer textbook. Okay. So maybe question arises. Still you may confuse. Sir, in textbook there is the information, there is no MCQ. But there at the back side of the exercise, right, there is a 3-4 MCQ. May not be, right? So what you should do? You for MCQ, you must keep in mind years. Right? Yes. Years means, okay, in which year the fall of Constantinople is there, right? Let's suppose 1453. So in which year the Bartholomew Dias discovered, right, Cape of Good Hope. Columbus discovered America, right? In which year Vasco da Gama arrived in India. Then War of Plassey, in which year, right? War of Boxer, in which year, right? In which year subsidiary alien system implied. So this kind of information definitely keep in mind when you prepare for MCQ. Second, important person, important person, so important person means important kings. Suppose who welcome Vasco da Gama in India, suppose Mughal king welcome Vasco da Gama in India, then different governor generals, then different kings, who play an important role, negatively or positively, in rise of British rule in India. So that kind of important person. Important places, important places. So important places means you all know that the Vasco da Gama arrived in India, at Calicut port, So Calicut is an important place for historical view. Then suppose if we go further, then the first means British man William Stephen Hawkins step on Surat port. So Surat is important place. Then place for Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar, Then different king means different kingdoms, Suppose subsidiary alien system, and then in subsidiary alien system, which states annexed by the British Governor General, So that kind of information you keep in mind. Okay. So sir, it will be lengthy, you may ask, But my aim and objective is you must prepare all the information. So what you should do? It our first lesson is contained 6 to 7 pages. How many pages? 6 to 7 pages. And that 6 to 7 pages, you hardly need I think 1 hour to refer. So keep pencil in your hand, and refer. While you refer, please underline the important information and which kind of information that I have discussed and given to you. So that information, when you keep in mind, then it will help you in the paper automatically. If you are not comfortable with underline, make a note in your notebook. So that will also helpful to you, to remember all the information. Okay. So do one thing. Note down this point in your notebook. I am allotting you few seconds, and then what to do? Prepare question number 1. Then we discuss question number 2. Now we do have a question number 2, and that's give reasons, So what is this kind of question? You may attend give reasons in 7th standard or 8th standard, so you all are familiar, with that statement. Okay. For example, one statement will be asked in examination, and you have to explain and justify that statement by giving the reason. Okay. Suppose, for example, why did European feel, a need of seeing Europe? Give reason for that. So suppose this is a statement. Why did European feel a need of new seeing? This is a statement, and you have to give the reason. So which was the reason? Follow constructive. So you, with your verbal power, with your writing skill, you justify and answer the question in this way, Previously, the trade between India and Europe, was done through land by Constantinople, Istanbul. So that was captured by Turkeys, and Turkey, was a great disturbance by applying high taxes on Indian goods for Europe. So that was not applicable for European traders. So the trade between India and Europe means collapse or decline. So European trade, right? If we do this trade with the sea route, right, there would not be any interference. So that's why they need to discover a new route, means new sea route, right? Because of falling constant. So you may have to answer in a such way, but this is a little bit new and little bit talented for you people. So I choose workbook, right? Give reason. So please prepare it. Or refer, right? Prepare or refer workbook, right? For this question, prepare it from workbook. So as you know that we do have a book list, right? We have sent you the book list, and in that book list we also introduce a workbook for you people. So definitely for this give reason, right? Prepare workbook. So, but you must prepare it, right, with your own language efficiency, right? Don't go for the open practice, right? Or I can say that, right? Don't do that question mechanical, right? Or like a recording machine, right? Prepare with your own skill, with your own understanding, right? And represent it with your own words. That will help you for question number 3, right? Question number 3. Answer the question. Answer the questions. And this answer the questions, please prepare all the textbook question answers, right, from means given into exercise. So once you prepare the question answer in exercise, right, then that will help you a lot to attain this one, answer the question answer. So what you should do when you read a textbook or a lesson, right, for MCQ, keep in mind a small incident. Small incident like Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar, then a small incident, right, like war between British East India Company and Tipu Sultan, Mysore War, right? So that kind of small incident, but having a very important historical, means in historical importance, right? Keep in mind that kind of incident. That will definitely help you, right, in answering this question. Second, then practice all the question answers from textbook exercise, right? So we do have a textbook exercise, right, at the end of the lesson. So must prepare that one. And last one is question number 4, right? And that's detailed questions. Detailed questions. So if you talk about detailed questions, right? So detailed question is, right? Detailed question is for detailed events of the text. Detailed events means any detailed incident is there. So think about that. So we do have a 3 detailed incident in our lesson number 1. First is discovery of new sea route. Discovery of new sea route. Second is social and economical impact. Social and economical impact of company rule. Company rule. So these 2 three, right? These three: discovery of new zero, social and economical impact. So these three are the detailed explanation in the textbook. So you must keep in mind only these three topics for question number 4. So I hope that you all may clear, right, with the examination point of view. I suggest you, right, that prepare for midterm by following this guideline. Okay, I am revising all the detail, discuss the discussion. Discuss the discussion. So first for MCQ, right? Please refer textbooks and underline the important years, right, or event years and event. Second, give reason. Must prepare from the workbook. Third, detailed question answer, back side of the textbook. And fourth, right? Third is answer the question. And third, answer the question. Please prepare all the question answer that given behind or given in the exercise of the textbook. For this detailed question, right, keep in mind discovery of the new theory and social and economical impact of the company rule. Then definitely you will get a good score, right, in your midterm examination. If you have any question, please ring me and ask me, right? So I hope that you all make clear, right, and best luck for your